to all. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is profit and loss. Before starting our question, let us have a quick recap. The first one is SP. SP means selling price and CP means cost price. If suppose I buy something means that is known as cost price, and if I sell something means that is known as selling price. Okay, and if the selling price is greater than the cost price, that is known as profit, and if the cost price is greater than the selling price, that is known as loss. So we can use this formula to find the profit. That is, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, always you remember that when we find the profit percentage or loss percentage, we can deal with the cost price only. Okay, so the profit percentage formula is profit by cost price into 100, and the loss percentage formula is loss by cost price into 100. If suppose in question they given the profit percentage value and you need to find the value of profit, means you use this formula, that is profit is equal to profit percentage of cost price, and in question they given the loss percentage value, means you use this formula, that is loss is equal to loss percentage of cost price. Question number 1. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? So in this question, I buy a TV, which means here the cost price value given. Cost price is 10,000 and profit of 20%, which means profit percentage given. Profit percentage is equal to 20%. So in this question they ask how much money do I get for it, which means they ask the selling price. So for that we need the value of profit, because here they given the profit percentage value only. Okay, so profit is equal to profit percentage of cost price. Now you substitute the value here. So profit percentage is 20%. So 20% of 10,000. Now here this of means into. Okay, so 20% means 20 by 100 into 10,000. Now we cancel these two zeros, means we get profit is equal to 2,000. Okay, so to find the selling price, we just add cost price and profit value. Cost price is 10,000 and the profit already we found 2,000. So when we add this 2 means we get 12,000. So our selling price is 12,000. Next question. Juhi sells a washing machine for 13,500. She losses to 20% in bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So in this question, Juhi sells a washing machine. So selling price given, the amount is 13,500 and loss percentage also given 20%. We need to find the value of cost price. Okay. So in this question, selling price only given, we have to find the value of cost price. But already we discussed, we deal the loss percentage and profit percentage with the cost price. Okay. So let the unknown value be x. So loss is equal to loss percentage of cost price. So loss percentage is 20% of cost price. We don't know the value of cost price, so let it be x. So you substitute x here. Okay, 20% means 20 by 100. Of means into x. Now we cancel this 2. 120 is 20. 520s are 100. So the value of loss is equal to x by 5. And when we subtract the loss from the cost price, means we get the selling price amount. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Already we take the cost price is equal to x. So you substitute here as x minus loss. Loss is x by 5. So x minus x by 5. Here this x is a whole number. So when we convert to convert it into fraction, means we just write it as x by 1. Okay. So to subtract this 2 means the denominator must be same. Here the denominator is 1, means first you take the LCM for this 2. The LCM is 5. So here the numerator and denominator you product this by 5. So 5x divided by 5 minus x by 5. Then we get 5x minus x divided by 5. So when we subtract x from 5x, means we get 4x. So 4x by 5. So now we need the value of x. So for that 4x by 5 is equal to 13,500. Now x is equal to 13,500. Now you product this by the reciprocal of 4 by 5. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Okay. Now we cancel these two numbers. 13,500 by 4 by using the long division method. Then you get 3,375. So in numerator we have 3,375 into 5. In denominator we have 1. Okay. So when we product these two numbers means we get 16,875. So the value of cost price is equal to 16,875 rupees.